Hey guys, it's Katie. Thanks for stopping by my channel. And today we are working with the ever so gorgeous Flamingo palette by Violet Voss. Oh my gosh, I know you've all probably seen it everywhere online. And I got this quite a few weeks ago. And I have done looks with it. I just haven't filmed them. But if this does not scream the best of summer to you, like, holy moly. The mattes, the shimmers, they're so good. They are so good. I'm going to do what I called a pink lemonade look today. So if you want to see how I get this look, just keep watching. First, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, the original one. And I always bring eye primer down to my inner corner as well as underneath my lash line because I also put eyeshadow there. Okay, so first with a big fluffy brush, I am going to go into the color Coral. And that's exactly what it is, a coral color. There is a little bit of fallout, so you do want to tap the excess off your brushes, but girl, that ain't scare me. So I'm just going to put this generously in my crease with a big fluffy brush. And then on a denser crease brush, this one is from Elle, I'm going to go into the shade Watermelon. And that's just kind of a deeper pink, and I'm going to focus that right in the crease more precisely. Okay, side note, my brushes, I'm noticing I have not cleaned since the last time I used them. And I recently got this color switch from Sephora. And I just wanted to test it out and see, like, okay, does it really work? Yes, it does. Like, you go in there with your brush and you do like a few swipes back and forth. And your brush is clean and ready for the next color. It is really good. I think it's $12. It's so worth it. Because I think there's no need to have like 35 brushes in your collection. Like, just use this and you can reuse them in between washes. It's really great. So again, on this more dense crease brush, focusing more precisely in my crease. So that takes care of the pink part of our pink lemonade look for now. And now I'm going to go in with the lemonade. So first, whoa, I didn't even know this. Okay, I'm going to go in with the shade called Lemonade. I did not plan that out purposely. Ironic. Just on a flat shader brush, I'm going to put this all over just the lid of my eye, not going up into the crease, just the lid part. And you don't have to worry about bringing it all the way to the outer part of your eye because we are going to go back in with one of those coral colors and deepen up the outer V. Hey guys, it's Kate. Okay, my camera keeps shutting off from overheating. Okay, but anyway, we just finished putting that pineapple on our lids, and then we are going to go back with that dense crease brush into the color Watermelon and deepen up that outer V a little bit, not too far, and then also go back and blend that yellow color into our pink. pink color. a flat definer brush. This is from Morphe. I'm going to go back to Coral and smoke this out kind of on the lower lash line. And then with that same brush, I'm going to go back into the deeper coral color called Watermelon and put that put that closer to my lash line. One last step I'm going to do is go back in with my flat shader into that sparkly pineapple color and just put it a little bit on the inner corner of my lower lash line and let it fade in to the coral we put down there. Okay, so this is the final look. Yes, it is bright. It is two colors that are very different from each other, but I think that's what this Violet Voss palette is all about, is making your bright, summery shades. And even though it's later on in the summer and eventually we're going to be into fall, guys, don't let anybody tell you when you can and can't wear certain eyeshadow shades and lip shades and things like that. Like, do you and wear whatever you want whenever. And if you want to do bold, bright eye color, do it. If you want to stay with your neutrals, do it. But just do you. But anyway, I'm going to put mascara on and be right back. Okay, I just put mascara on and did not put any eyeliner on, but if eyeliner is your thing, go ahead and do it. But this is the completed eye look with mascara. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for stopping by. You can subscribe if you want to, and I hope you come back for more. Thanks, guys. See ya.